Just going to make a short video on an Iveco X supermarket delivery truck. We have a number of these vehicles. Some have 4 rear boxes or compartments, and the newer ones have 3. This is an Iveco 8-speed automatic delivery vehicle in tidy condition, which has been very well maintained. This particular one is on a 16 plate. All servicing has been done, etc. All the compartments can be locked from inside the cab. Different configurations of temperature control can be attained for the various compartments. There's definitely a freezer compartment. And there's the other compartment. This step or bar along the side of the vehicle is hingeable so that there is easy access to the vehicle, as is the rear one. Obviously all the tyres in very good condition. Comes with an MOT all ready for your purpose, whatever that might be. A lot of people are very keen in buying these for recovery vehicles, drop sides or tippers, which can be easily done. Thanks very much for watching the video. Thank you.